Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to connect your Tonkeeper wallet to your Notcoin account on Telegram. So we're going to go to our Tonkeeper wallet first. And right here at the top, you're going to see where you have your balance and your alphanumeric code for your wallet. So we're going to tap on it. And as you can see, it said copied just by tapping on it. So we're going to go to Telegram now. And here in Telegram, we're going to search for Notcoin. As you can see already, I have Notcoin here. So I'm going to tap on it. But if you don't, you're going to, of course, search for Notcoin. So I'm going to tap on Notcoin. And then I'm going to type /start. So we're going to click on send. And then it's going to give us the option to open. And we're going to tap on it. And right here at the top, because we haven't connected it yet, you're going to see connect wallet. So we're going to tap on it. And then you have the option to connect your wallet using any other option. So we're going to select Tonkeeper. Of course, we have the option to open in Telegram. You can choose any, but we're going to be using Tonkeeper here because we have the wallet app. And here you can see that it's ready to connect to the wallet. So we're going to, of course, enable notifications and click Connect Wallet. It's also important for you to select the right wallet. Remember at the beginning, we actually selected an alphanumeric code, and this is the same wallet. So we copied the code from the main wallet, and we still have it here. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Connect Wallet. We're going to authenticate it. Great. Now you can see that at the top, instead of connect wallet, you can now see the alphanumeric code in brief, and you can see wallet. So if we tap on it, you can see that your wallet has been connected. Of course, you can decide to connect to a different wallet, but this is how to connect your Tonkeeper wallet to your Notcoin account on Telegram.